How to change slide duration in Canva. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva and then click on it, which is the first slide, and you'll find edit timing on top. You can edit timing, increase it or decrease it as you want. You can only do for a specific slide or simply click on Apply to all pages, which is below timing. After that, you can simply click on Present and see how it looks. Click on anything to see present. As you can see, I have clicked on Autoplay. As you can see, you're good to go like this. That's how to change slide duration in Canva. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.